Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Today just announced shielded accounts for Tron and TronLink. So basically you ask, why would I want a shielded account? A shielded account allows for private transactions. For now, this is on the mobile TronLink, but I would expect it will be coming to TronLink on Google Chrome as well. So this video assumes that you have TronLink installed already. So let's get started. Open up TronLink. After TronLink opens, simply click on the Me down in the right hand corner. It says Me. So after you click on Me, go ahead and click on Shielded Account Management. And if you don't have an account, it's going to prompt you to create a new one. Go ahead and click on Create. Go ahead and scroll down to the Create Wallet, and click on that. Go ahead and give it a 14-character name with no spaces in it, and then hit Next Step. At this screen, you need to create a password. Go ahead and make sure it has upper and lowercase and a special character in it. You'll have to repeat this and confirm it on the next screen. Make sure it's the same password that you entered the first time. Then hit Carry Out. At this point, you'll need to back up your mnemonic password. And then it says, please don't take a screenshot. Make sure you write this down because that is the private key of your wallet. After you're finished, it'll take you back to the main screen. To access your wallet, click on the Me and then click Shielded Account, and then you'll have all of your account details. So that's it. Your shielded wallet is now set up for private transactions. Now I know Justin's running a Twitter campaign where he says that he'll give you 1 USDT if you tweet with your address, but honestly, that's kind of silly. If you're creating a shielded private address, why would you post your address on Twitter? Sometimes I just don't understand the logic of the foundation. But anyways, as I said, you'll most likely see this available in your TronLink account, and you can import your private key into your Google Chrome PC account as well. As this moves forward, we'll see what they intend to use these shielded transactions for. As always, like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed today's video. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.